Today we're going to be talking about fractions. To start off, I'm going to give you a scenario. If Taylor had $10 and she spent 10 of those dollars, can you say Taylor spent half of her money? Yes, you can say that she spent half of her money because 5 is half of 10. With that scenario, we just made a simple fraction. A fraction is a numerical quantity that is not a whole number. By that, I mean that a fraction shows one part of a whole that is divided into two equal parts. The fraction is written up into two parts. It has a top number and a bottom number. The top number is the numerator, and the bottom number is the denominator. The denominator goes at the bottom, and the top goes as the numerator. The numerator is the number of parts we have. And the denominator shows how many equal parts the item is divided into. You can remember that the denominator goes down or at the bottom by the letter D. The letter D can just make you remember that it goes down and the end is up. Okay, for the next part, I'm going to get into the actual tutorial of about how fractions work. I'm going to do an example about a pizza. I took a little survey with my roommates and I asked them what kind of pizza toppings they want. So I'm going to start off by drawing a circle, and the circle is going to represent the pizza itself. I want to divide the circle up into 4 pieces, and since it's 4, it's me and 3 other roommates that I live with. Okay, to start off, we're just going to do something simple. Since it's 4 of us and we only eat 3 slices, I'm going to shade in 3 of the 4. So it's 3 slices eaten out of the 4. So I'm going to write the fraction as 3 over 4. I'm going to write it 3 over 4 because 3 is the number of parts we ate out of the whole. And the whole number is 4. So you could say this fraction as 3/4 instead of saying 3 out of 4. Okay, next, I'm going to get a little bit harder because I asked them what type of pizzas they like pizza toppings that they like. I want to divide it up into 6 for this one because just to make it a little harder. Excuse my drawing. I'm really not a drawer. Okay, we have 6 slices of pizza. Personally, I like pepperoni, so I'm going to draw or attempt to draw pepperonis. One of my roommates said, okay, I want to draw P for pepperoni. So you could just know that P stands for pepperoni. One of my roommates said she's like everything pizza, so I'm going to write an E for everything. One of them said they like meat lovers. So I'm going to write ML for meat lovers. And I'm putting a key on the side just so you could keep up with what I'm saying, as well as how the pizza is labeled. And we're going to leave the rest of the 6 pieces out of the 6 cheese. We're going to say it's cheese. So right now we have 3 out of the 6 pieces that has a topping on it. So we're going to write that as 3/6. But I'm going to get a little more advanced, and I'm going to show you how you could turn this 3/6 into a half. So in order to turn it into 1 over 2, I'm going to divide 3 by the top number and the bottom number. So I'm going to make a divided sign and divide 3 on the numerator and the denominator. In order to reduce a fraction, you have to do the same at the top as you do the bottom. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2 because 3 goes into 6 2 times. And that's basically how you write fractions and how you could simplify them as well.